Hey there, and welcome to our homeschooling journey. Today I'll be reviewing The Good and the Beautiful Science for Little Hearts and Hands, Fields, and Flowers. We've been using this curriculum since our son was 4 years old and repeated it again a second year for fun. I do want to begin by saying we are not affiliated with The Good and the Beautiful in any way. I want to offer you my honest opinion to help you decide if it's worth investing in. Let's start with an overview of the curriculum. The Good and the Beautiful designed this curriculum for preschool to early elementary learners around ages 3 to 6. It includes science and nature study with themes focused on plants, flowers, trees, bees, butterflies, and more, as well as early literacy development through gentle storytelling and engaging read-alouds. This curriculum is around $24.99 to $49.99 depending on the format and whether you purchase the read-aloud books separately, and it can be purchased online through the Good and the Beautiful's website. One of the strengths of this curriculum is an engaging story-based approach. I love how each lesson follows a narrative style that captures my little one's attention and makes the learning feel like an adventure. Another strength is the open and go format. This has been helpful for keeping our homeschool days smooth, especially when I don't have much prep time. I also appreciate the beautiful illustrations and hands-on activities. This has made homeschooling more interactive and visually rich for my little one, which helps him stay interested and excited about science. Now, there are a few weaknesses to this curriculum, and one of those weaknesses is that it's a bit light on academic content if you're looking for something more structured or detailed. I found that it works best as an introduction to science rather than a complete science program. Another weakness is that some of the hands-on activities require materials you may not already have. This was challenging because we had to pause lessons or adapt on the spot if we didn't plan ahead. Lastly, there isn't a lot of built-in assessments or review. This was a problem because it made it harder to see how much my little one was actually retaining without creating my own follow-up questions. Overall, I believe this curriculum is a sweet, gentle, and beautifully designed way to introduce young learners to science and nature. I think it's a great resource for families looking for a faith-based, story-rich, and low-prep resource for preschool or kindergarten science. However, if you're looking for a secular or academically rigorous science curriculum, then this may not be the best choice for you. Thank you for watching my review of The Good and the Beautiful Science for Little Hearts and Hands, Fields, and Flowers. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and if you've used this curriculum, I'd love to hear your thoughts as well. See you next time!